Best hot tubs reviewed. I bought and tested these hot tubs so you don't have to waste your money. From relaxation to recovery, I've experienced it all firsthand. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that will make your soaking experience unforgettable.
Product number 1, Aliexpress Bath Pillow. I recently got my hands on the Aliexpress Bath Pillow, and let me tell you, it transformed my bathing experience. Picture this. After a long day, I filled up my tub, tossed in some bath salts, and settled in for a well-deserved soak. The moment I rested my head on this pillow, I felt like I was cradled in clouds. The ergonomic design of this bath pillow is a game changer. It's not just a pillow, it's a revolution in relaxation. The thick padding supports my neck and back perfectly, allowing me to unwind without any discomfort. And the best part? It's made from this amazing breathable 4D air mesh material that dries quickly. I could soak for hours without worrying about my hair getting wet. The 6 non-slip suction cups are another standout feature. They kept the pillow securely in place, so I didn't have to adjust it every 5 minutes. Honestly, I was skeptical about the suction cups at first, but they held strong, even when I shifted around a bit. Cleaning it is a breeze too. Just toss it in the washing machine and it comes out fresh as new. This bath pillow fits almost any tub, which is perfect if you have a unique style or size.
Product number 2, Easy Test 7-Way Pool Test Strips. Next up, we have the Easy Test 7-Way Pool Test Strips. As a hot tub owner, I quickly realized the importance of maintaining balanced water chemistry. I can't stress enough how critical this is, not just for the longevity of your hot tub, but also for your health. When I first received the test strips, I was impressed by how straightforward they are to use. With 150 strips in the kit, I knew I wouldn't run out anytime soon. The instructions were simple. Just dip the strip into the water for a second and then compare the colors. It's almost like magic. These strips test for bromine, pH, alkalinity, and more, giving you a comprehensive picture of your water quality. I tested my hot tub twice a week, and it was alarming to see how quickly the levels could fluctuate. The color chart on the bottle made it easy to identify what needed adjusting. Product number 3, Bub Play Ice Bath Cold Plunge Tub. If you're into recovery or cold water therapy, the Bub Play Ice Bath Cold Plunge Tub is something you should seriously consider. I've always been curious about cold plunges, but I never thought I'd get one for my home. This tub has made it super easy. It's designed for spacious immersion, and I can comfortably fit in it even at 6'2". Setting it up was a breeze, no tools required. Just inflate it with the pump, insert the support rods, and fill it with water. The 210D outer fabric is sturdy, and I felt confident it would hold up. The insulation is no joke either. It helps maintain the cold temperature for longer, which is a massive plus if you want to avoid wasting money on ice. One of my favorite features is the drain hose. After a session, draining the tub is quick and mess-free. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Product number 4 is Cozy Inflatable Bathtub, and I was genuinely surprised at how much I enjoyed it. When I first opened the box, I was a bit skeptical about how comfortable a blow-up tub could be, but this one has some serious features. The high-density PVC material feels sturdy and is surprisingly luxurious. I inflated it with the included electric pump in under 3 minutes, and it was ready to go. The comfort level is outstanding. There's an inflatable headrest and armrests that add to the overall spa-like experience. I loved being able to sip on my favorite drink in the cup holder while soaking away my stress. The zipper cover is a nice touch, allowing me to control the temperature a bit. Product number 5, Audacia Go XXL Ice Bathtub. Last but not least, we have the Audacia Go XXL Ice Bathtub, which is a must for serious athletes and anyone dedicated to recovery. After using it, I can confidently say it's built for performance. The construction is top-notch, with reinforced fiberglass and a tear-resistant outer layer that gives it a professional-grade feel. This tub is massive, 216 gallons, which means you can fully immerse yourself without feeling cramped. The insulated lid is a brilliant addition, ensuring that the water stays colder for longer. I connected it to a water chiller and it maintained the temperature beautifully without me having to worry about adding ice constantly. To wrap it up, whether you're looking for relaxation or recovery, these top 5 hot tubs and accessories have something for everyone. They're all worth considering for enhancing your self-care routine. Don't waste your money on subpar products. These selections are tried, tested, and approved by yours truly.